Hello students, welcome back to Lakshmi Mitra GK classes. Today we will revise the full control and coordination chapter using a super fun method, and guess what, our friend Rom is here to learn with you. Okay, telling about the story. Rom, nervous system, hormones, reflex, it's all spinning in my head, can't remember anything. Chill Ram, just follow along after this. You will never forget this chapter. Okay. Now I will start chapter control and coordination. Chapter number 6, control and coordination. Look at here the picture of the brain, control and coordination. Main important part. Study the brain. Okay. How to remember this chapter in 5 minutes or 10 minutes will take. Okay. I will revise the how to remember all. One time you read this all points, then how to remember all at a time. Don't forget this chapter after. See the chapter first point. Total there are 6 points are there. First point. See the first point. Nervous system. First point. Nervous system. You imagine tree analogy. Okay, first you have to remember tree analogy. First imagine the nerve system as a tree. Nerve system as a tree. Nerve system, this is a, you have to imagine this is a big tree. You have to close your eyes and remember tree. Okay. First point, brain is the, you have to remember, close your eyes and see the brain is the trunk. You have to remember brain is the trunk. Then spinal cord is the stem. Spinal cord is the stem. Only imagination. Spinal cord is the stem. Nerves are the branches. Nerves are the branches of the tree, and spinal cord is the stem of the tree. Brain is the trunk of the tree. Okay, how to imagine only tree. Then how to remember this main parts of the brain. Words have to remember. CNS. CNS means central nervous system, equal to brain plus spinal cord. Okay, central nervous system equal to then main part brain plus spinal cord. CNS means central nerve system. Then PNS. PNS peripheral nerve system, equal to all nerves, computers, brain sense networks. Okay, peripheral nerve system. Second, first point CNS, second point PNS. Short form have to remember this. CNS and PNS. Okay, all nerves, computer, brain and networks. Peripheral nerve system. This CNS, brain plus spinal cord plus nerves, including CNS, have to include these main 3 points: brain, spinal cord, nerves. Okay. Wow, it's like the brain is the computer and nerves are the internet cables. Okay, it is like the brain is the computer and nerves are the internet cables. Okay. Next second point, you go for next second point, brain parts. Brain parts, remember 3-story building. 3-story building, main brain parts. Okay. Now imagine the brain as a 3-story building. Imagine the brain as a 3-story building. See, forebrain, thinking, memory, voluntary. This is the top floor. Forebrain is the top floor. Okay, top floor. What is doing that? Thinking, memory, voluntary actions, doing a work. Top floor, all people are doing a work. What type of working? All are thinking, memory, and voluntary actions. Only doing the voluntary actions. This is the forebrain. First floor, have to remember 3 main floor. First floor, top floor is people are thinking, memory, voluntary actions. Next, midbrain. It's the middle floor. Okay. Midbrain reflex of eyes and midbrain reflex of eyes. Okay. To remember. Then hindbrain. Another point is there that reflex of eyes. Midbrain reflexes of eyes. Hindbrain balance, posture, breathing. Friends, see all 3 points how to remember: forebrain, midbrain, hindbrain. Okay. Friends, how to trick. This is the trick remembering. Friends make happy moments. F means forebrain, M means midbrain, H means hindbrain. Okay. Fore brain, midbrain, hindbrain. Friends make happy moments. Friends make happy moments. Okay. This is a very good trick to remember. Okay. Don't forget this. Friends make happy moments means forebrain, midbrain, hindbrain. Friends make happy. Where is the mean? Mind only. Just happy is there. Happiness. Always think a happy mind. Okay. Friends make happy moments. This I have to remember: forebrain, midbrain, and hindbrain. Okay. What is the function of forebrain? Thinking. The top floor. They have to. This is a floor. Have to remember 3-story building. Top floor to thinking, a memory, voluntary actions. Middle floor reflexes of eyes only. All are reflect only. Blinking the eyes. Reflex of eyes. Middle floor. Hindbrain. Bottom of the hindbrain means this is the top bottom floor. Okay. Bottom floor always the balance the all floor. Okay. Balance posture of the breathing. Okay. Posture and breathing. Hindbrain reflex action. Heart stove. Let us say Ram touches a hot stove. Ouch, he puts back instantly. That's a reflex action. Quick automatic. See, any hot body or hot anything, if you stove or any one you touches the hand, then automatically have to remove back, pulls back instantly. That is a reflex action. Okay. Pulls back instantly. That is a reflex action. Quick automatic. Then automatically uh, pulls back. This is the reflex action. See, pathway. How to remember this path of the reflex action? So one way path is there. RSIME. How to remember this shortcut trick? R means receptor. S means sensory nerve. I means interneuron. And M means motor nerve. E means effector. Okay. Receptor, sensory nerve, interneuron, motor neuron, effector. Okay. RSIME. Okay. RSIM or RSIM. I have to remember this RSIM. Ram started ironing mom's ear. Okay. I have to remember this. Make a one word or sentence. Make a sentences. R means Ram. S means started. I means ironing. Then M means moms. E means ear. Okay. R means receptor. S means started. I means interneuron, ironing, motor nerve means M means moms, M motor nerve, E means ear. Okay, these are the effector. See, this is the path of reflex action. How to in exam writing the what is the path of reflex action? Serial wise is asking one by one. That you have to remember the serial wise. Ram started ironing mom's ear. Ram started ironing mom's ear. Understood? Have to remember this. Imagine Ram started ironing mom's ear. Then this is the path of reflex action. Okay. Next, plant movements topic or Gnostic versus Gnostic. Plant movements. How will do that? Plants movements. Plants move to but differently. First one tropic moment, second one is the Gnostic moment. First one the tropic moment, directional, examples towards the light. This is a tropic moment. All are towards the light, bending towards light. This is the tropic moment, direction of the this tropic moment. Gnostic moment means non-directional, example touch. This is the non-directional moment, only touching. Then this is the Gnostic moment. Tropic moment first one, second one Gnostic moment, towards the light. Tropic means towards the light, and Gnostic moment is the only you touching. Touch the example that you take immediately. That is the Gnostic moment. Next, trip to Delhi. You have to remember this. Trip to Delhi. Tropic means directional. Direction. Trip to Delhi. This is the tropic moment. Right? No direction. This is the Gnostic moment. No direction. That's the Gnostic moment. Trip to Delhi. That's the example that giving that. Tropic means that direction. Gnostic means no direction. Okay, very simple. You have to remember this. Fifth point, plant hormones. 5 funny students. There are 5 major plant hormones. Think of them as the students in class. Plant hormones, 5 funny students have to remember. Imagine this 5 funny students are there. There are 5 major plant hormones are there. Think of them as a students in a class or in a class. Think of them as a students in your class. 5 funny students are there. What are their names? See, first one is auxin. First one you have to remember that auxin. Auxin is the main important points. You have to remember this main points asking in exam. Main important points. Growth towards light. Growth towards light, that is called auxin. Direction. Gibberellin or gibberellin, stem elongation. This is a stem elongation. Gibberellin. Cytokinin, cell division. Cytokinin, the function is the cell division. What is the function of abscisic acid? Leaf fall or inhibition. Inhibition. Okay, leaf fall, inhibition, abscisic acid. Last one, ethylene, fruit refining. This is called fruit refining, ethylene. That is the function of ethylene. What is that work? Fruit refining, auxin, growth towards light, gibberellin, stem elongation, cytokinin, cell division, abscisic acid, leaf fall or inhibition. Ethylene, fruit refining is the main point. How to remember this all 5? Auxin, gibberellin, cytokinin, abscisic acid, and remember all. A good child always eats. A good child always eats. Have to remember this all. See, A means auxin, G means gibberellin or gibberellin, child. C means cytokinin. I always. A means this is abscisic acid. Last E, ethylene. Right? Ethylene. Have to remember auxin. E means ethylene, A means auxin, G means gibberellin, C means cytokinin, A means abscisic acid, E means ethylene. You have to remember, a good child always eats. A good child. Human hormones. Sixth point is human hormones. Post office idea. Think of a glands as a post offices and hormones as parcel they deliver. Okay, human hormones. Now fifth is the I have seen that plant hormone. Now you see the human hormones. Human hormones, post office idea. Think of a gland. Glands as a post office. Think glands as a post office and hormones as a parcel they deliver. Hormones are parcel they are deliver. Now pituitary. Pituitary, that's the master gland. Okay, pituitary master gland. Thyroid controls metabolism. All body activity of thyroid controls the metabolism. Adrenal fight of flight. Then pancreas controls sugar level. Pancreas function control the sugars or insulin. Testes are ovary, reproductive hormones. These testes and ovary are the reproductive hormones. Please take another. You have to remember this all. Pituitary, thyroid, adrenal, pancreas, and testes are ovaries. How to remember this all? Please take another pizza topping. Please take another pizza topping. P means pituitary, T means thyroid, A means adrenal, P means pancreas, P means pancreas, T means topping. T means topping is there, topping, T testes, have to remember. Pancreas, testes, testes. I have understood all concept. If you like this video, share with our friends and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Okay, thank you.